The Honda CR-V, also sold as the Honda Breeze in China since 2019, is a compact crossover SUV manufactured by Japanese automaker Honda since 1995. Initial models of the CR-V were built using the same platform as the Civic 1-2. Honda began producing the CR-V in Sayama, Japan, and Swindon, United Kingdom, for worldwide markets, adding North American manufacturing sites in East Liberty, Ohio, United States, in 2007, El Salto, Jalisco, Mexico, in late 2007, ended in early 2017, Alliston, Ontario, Canada, in 2012, and Greensburg, Indiana, United States, in February 2017. The CR-V is also produced in Wuhan for the Chinese market by Dongfeng Honda, and also marketed as the Breeze in China for the version produced at Guangzhou by Guangqi Honda. Honda states CR-V stands for Comfortable Runabout Vehicle 3, 4, 5, while the term Compact Recreational Vehicle is used in a British car review article that was republished by Honda, associating the model name with the Sports Utility Vehicle abbreviation of SUV, 6. As of 2022, the CR-V is positioned between the smaller ZR-V, marketed as HR-V in North America, and the larger North American market Passport/Pilot or the Chinese market Avancier/URV. It is currently Honda's best-selling vehicle in the world, and the second best-selling SUV globally in 2027. First generation, 1995. Pre-facelift, Japan. The first-generation CR-V or RD1 was Honda's first in-house, designed sport utility vehicle by Hiroyuki Kawase. When the CR-V was introduced in Japan in October 1995, it was sold only at Honda Verno and Honda Primo dealerships, 8, and exceeded Japanese government's compact car regulations regarding exterior dimensions, maximum width of 1,700 mm, 66.9 in, therefore incurred a more expensive annual road tax obligation. For the North American market, it was displayed at the 1996 Chicago Auto Show and went on sale in February 1997. Upon introduction, the model had only one trim level, which would later be known as the LX model trim. It was powered by the 2.0-liter straight-4 B20B, producing 126 horsepower, 94 kilowatts, at 5,400 RPM and 133 lb-ft, 180 Nm, of torque at 4,800 RPM. Outer dimensions for this engine would be identical to the Integra's 1.8L engine, but internally the engine had a larger 84 mm, 3.3 in, bore versus 81 mm, 3.2 in, for the Integra, to add the extra displacement needed to produce more torque. The engine used a one-piece cylinder sleeve construction unique from any other B-Series engine. The chassis was a unibody design with fully independent suspension. The front suspension was double wishbone, while the rear used a trailing arm-based multilink system. Inside, the rear seats were able to fold down, and a picnic table was stowed in the rear floor area. All models featured plastic cladding covering the front bumper, rear bumper, and fender wells. In most countries, CR Versus had a chrome grille. However, in the United States, the grille was made out of the same black plastic as the bumpers. The EX included anti-lock brakes and 15-inch alloy wheels over the LX trim. Drivetrain options were front-wheel drive or Honda's real-time AWD. Indonesian market CR-V was released in 1999 as a locally assembled model. Honda customized the model for sale to include a face-to-face third-row seating, making it a 7-seater vehicle to take advantage of the tax regulations in the country. The rear fog lamp was also reconfigured as a 4th and 5th brake light. 9. Facelift. Facelift, 1999 to 2001. Honda CR-V, Japan. In 1999, for the 2000 model year, the European, Australian and Asian CR-V models featured more drastic changes. Exterior alterations included a new front bumper, smoothed-off rear bumper, and a smaller plastic radio antenna on the rear of the roof. Nighthawk Black was added to the list of paint choices, while Passion Orange disappeared. New dark blue pearl and red pearl shades replaced the former solid red and metallic blue hues. European models received an enlarged Honda emblem on the front grille, and a new metallic yellow paint in certain markets. The engine was changed to the 2.0L B20Z engine, producing 147 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, at 6,200 RPM and 133 lb-ft, 180 Nm, of torque at 4,500 RPM. This improved performance for the 3,200 pounds, 1,500 kilograms, vehicle. Fuel economy of 23 miles per gallon US, 10L/100 km, 28 miles per gallon imp, city/28 mpg US, 8.4 L/100 km, 34 miles per gallon imp, highway, US, and price were not affected by the increase in power, which was the result of a higher compression ratio, 9.6 to 1 compared to the B20B's 8.8 to 1, a new intake manifold, and slightly higher lift on the intake valves. This 16% increase in power resulted to a faster 0 to 60 miles per hour of 8.6 seconds on the 5-speed manual 4WD. 10. In 2000, an SE Special Edition model was introduced in North America. The SE featured body-colored bumpers and side moldings, a body-colored hard spare tire cover, leather upholstery, CD/cassette audio deck, rear privacy glass, and chrome grille accent. Until 2001, the CR-V sold more than any other vehicle in its class. The North American models also received new exterior colors including Naples Gold Metallic and Taffeta White. Electron Blue was introduced in 2000 to replace Submarine Blue Pearl, while Satin Silver Metallic replaced Sebring Silver Metallic in 2001. However, that year, sales of the Ford Escape and its clone, the Mazda Tribute, surpassed those of the CR-V. The Australian higher specification model was called the Sport. It was added at the time of the first facelift and included body-colored bumpers, mirrors, door handles, and hard rear spare wheel cover. It also included alloy wheels, roof rails, and a large glass sunroof. The CR-V became the country's best-selling SUV in 2000, outselling the Toyota Land Cruiser for the first time. Safety. The 1997 to 2001 model, tested by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, was the LX model with standard driver and passenger airbags. The car structure received an acceptable rating, and the overall car received a marginal rating, as the dummy's left leg would have been broken. In addition to this lower body injury, the dummy's head went through the airbag, which may have caused a minor concussion. The chest was well protected. Models equipped with an automatic transmission now had an overdrive cancel button that allowed the driver to lock the transmission in the first 3 gears to provide power for passing and climbing grades, known as grade logic. The pattern of the cloth on the seats was also redesigned, and the head restraints earned an acceptable rating from the IIHS for whiplash protection.